leveling course. Precision cuts are made to allow for window openings. Because of the bonding properties of the Etong thin bed mortar, a 2 to 3 course lead is all that is recommended at each corner. As shown here, Etong uses an 1/8 of an inch joint. Also note that the minimum running bond of 4 inches is all that is required by Etong. Using an Etong notch trowel, a one-step application of Etong mortar is recommended. Following this simple step will accelerate the speed of installation. A margin trowel is used to clean excess thin bed mortar from the installed block. Using a margin trowel straight edge also gives an Etong installer a first chance to range in the block. A precision cut is made and dropped in to complete the course. Residential construction with bay windows is easy with Etong. Make a single cut at 45 degrees. Rotate the piece and coat with thin bed mortar and attach to the original block. To maintain accuracy, measure to the thickness of the material being used. The necessity for additional customized block can be achieved in the field. When needed, cores can be drilled. Etong cord block can be used for chasing plumbing pipes. Etong lentils may be used for specific openings. Modifications to any openings can be achieved by using a handsaw, circular saw, or reciprocal saw. After saw use a sanding board to smooth out any roughness and remember to clean off block surface to prevent inaccuracies. To make the connection with a go bolt or similar threaded rod assembly, a groove is routed and the rod is installed. This is done by attaching a straight edge to the Etong material to use as a guide. Using a carbide wood bit, the groove is easily routed into the Etong. Remove the nut. Attach the 2-inch coupler, then install the rod. There are 2 options with go bolt or similar threaded rod assemblies at the bond beam connection. The first option utilizes a 2-inch washer, sleeve, and nuts for threaded rod assembly specifications. A second option would involve bending the 1/2-inch rod into a hook that terminates into the bond beam as it would with a rebar system. When needed, Etong patch is used to fill the inspection hole and the groove when a threaded rod assembly is used. Any damage caused during installation can be repaired, plus handholds can be filled using Etong patch. The patch, mixed with water only, should be prepared in limited quantities because it sets quickly. Etong is compatible with precast, form, and pour concrete products. Etong offers U-block for bond beam detail because it utilizes a 2-rod bond beam, one on top of the other. H-block is created by field cutting Etong 8x8 by 24-inch U-blocks. The H-blocks allow installers to pour from one U-block to the next U-block. Etong recommends using a pump grout mix to fill the bond beam, lintel, and core blocks as required. Once installed, the pouring of the bond beam, lintel, and core blocks is completed as usual. Truss strap placement is standard per truss manufacturer. In a dry climate, pre-soaking of the block with water may be necessary. Etong environmental commitment goes beyond its inorganic ingredients and manufacturing process. All product pallets and coverings can be recycled. Besides being easy to handle, cost and time-saving, Etong is durable and structurally sound, while being compatible with existing construction practices. Etong is thermally and acoustically insulating, fire, termite, moisture, and decay resistant, and promotes healthy indoor air quality. With a proven 70-year history, Etong is produced in 48 plants in 29 countries on 4 continents worldwide. Etong's commitment to quality and the environment in producing autoclaved aerated concrete makes it clearly the better way to build.